So today we're taking a closer look at a budget desktop that, on paper, sounds like it should handle a lot more than its price suggests. Inside this setup, you're getting a Xeon E5 processor with 12 cores, boosting up to 4.0 GHz, paired with a K2200 graphics card, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, a 512 GB SSD, and a 1 TB hard drive. It also includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, a 650W power supply, and Windows 11 Pro already installed. At first glance, it's the kind of spec sheet that makes you pause. A 12-core CPU, dual storage, modern connectivity. It looks like a lot of machine packed into one system. But as always, the real experience comes down to how all of this works together. Starting with the processor, the Xeon E5 12-core chip is originally designed for workstation environments. That means it's built for heavy multitasking, rendering, server-type workloads, and productivity tasks rather than modern gaming performance. Even though it's not a current-generation gaming CPU, those 12 cores still give it solid capability when it comes to handling multiple tasks at once. With 16 GB of DDR4 memory, the system feels stable for everyday use. You can comfortably run multiple applications, switch between browser tabs, and handle office work or light editing without feeling constant slowdowns. The experience changes when you move into graphics performance. The K2200 GPU is an older workstation graphics card. It wasn't designed with modern gaming in mind. It's more focused on professional workloads like CAD and rendering. So when you bring gaming into the picture, expectations need to be adjusted. Esports titles like Valorant, CS2, and League of Legends are playable, but you're not going to get high-end competitive performance or ultra-smooth high FPS gameplay. It's more of a casual experience than a competitive one. For modern AAA games, this system shows its limitations more clearly. You can run some titles at lower settings, but you won't be getting high graphics quality or consistently smooth performance in demanding games. It's playable, but not ideal for serious gaming. Where the system performs better is in general responsiveness and storage. The 512 GB SSD makes a noticeable difference in boot times and application loading. Windows 11 Pro feels quick and responsive in daily use. The additional 1 TB HDD gives you plenty of storage space for files, media, and less frequently used data. Connectivity is another positive point. With Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.4, you're getting modern wireless standards, which helps bring this older workstation platform closer to current expectations. Design-wise, this isn't a flashy gaming PC. There's no aggressive RGB setup or futuristic case design. It's more of a clean, practical workstation tower built for function rather than aesthetics. And that kind of defines the entire identity of this machine. It's not trying to compete with modern gaming rigs built on Ryzen CPUs or RTX graphics cards. Instead, it sits in a different category where productivity and multitasking are the focus, and gaming is more of a secondary feature. So the real question is, who is this actually for? If you need a budget desktop for office work, browsing, multitasking, media consumption, and occasional light gaming, then this setup makes sense. But if your goal is high FPS gaming, competitive esports performance, or future-proof gaming capability, then this system is going to feel limited. The interesting part is the combination of hardware. A 12-core processor, 16 GB RAM, SSD plus HDD storage, modern wireless connectivity, and Windows 11 Pro is a strong foundation for productivity use. However, the graphics card becomes the clear bottleneck, and that defines the overall experience more than anything else. So at the end of the day, this is best described as a productivity-focused workstation that can handle light gaming, not a dedicated gaming PC built for performance. Depending on your expectations, it can either feel like a smart budget option or a system you'll quickly outgrow for gaming. The key takeaway is simple. Specs alone don't tell the full story. Real performance depends on balance, not just numbers.